Hi everybody, Stephen Hembiter, and today we are at day 13 of 72. Why we're 72 is because this product in front of you, which I created, makes 72 different totally interactive products that you can make and sell or give away for whatever you want to do with them. Today we're actually going to be in the one of the most popular out there, puppy and petty care, and we're going to be doing new puppy owners who don't know where to start. I reckon we'll go with it says new puppy owner checklist. Let's have a look. New pet owners who don't know where to start. How about we go with, no, we'll actually go puppy owners to train their puppy, and we're going to be building, it says to build, here we go here, a checklist. So we're going to be building out an interactive checklist for that. Now we are going to be using, we haven't made this yet, this color, red for the product, and because we're making a sales page, red for the sales page. You click that twice, and here it is here, cherry red, all right? Get your product idea, and it's going to be pet and animal care training system. Help dog owners wanting to train their puppy build real progress with pets and animal care, one step at a time. Okay, now what we do is we actually have to copy the prompt, and we put the prompt into Claude, and we paste it, and we go. This now going to build the product from us in about 4 to 5 minutes. So I'm actually going to, as usual, start a timer, and here this starts and build it. So I'm going to pause it and come back when it's finished. Okay, let's start here. It's just started, it's just finished. Okay, so it took 3 minutes 14 to build out this interactive red product. So it's a pet and animal care training system. How to use tap any item to expand it and see the action, why it matters and how it works. So, for example, set a fixed wake up and first toilet break time. It tells you the action, why this matters, how to do it, notes. All right. Feed the same time every day. All right. Work your way through there. Schedule short walks. So it pretty much tells me everything. This is like, not like a PDF, but a PDF you sit down and read, where here they have to come in and they have to actually interact with it, and they write their notes in here, and they put the dates that they start, like today and done, and say it worked or something, you know what I mean? Worked well. You know what I mean? And then they can work on the feed them every day, and this is how this works, and the people get enthusiastic about this because it's interactive and they can do something, and I'll do this because the puppy's misbehaving. If I try this, it works, you know what I mean? And what we do is we publish it. They're called artifacts. We publish it, we copy the link, put it in the browser, which they would do, and then it comes into here, and then they can then do what they want to do with it. You'd reset it first of all, to get rid of all this stuff, but that's how it all works, you know what I mean? So reset all progress, there it is there, see? And then what you can do is in here, for example, my name's at the bottom. You tell Claude to get rid of that, and any other changes you want, you would do to it in here, okay? Now, what we're going to do now is we're actually going to go, and we've kept that, yes, we've kept that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go and build the sales page for it. So we copy the prompt, interactive pet, new chat, go in here, paste it here, and go. We're going to reset this, and we're going to put into here. Now this is going to build a sales page for you, and then it'll have the price and everything on it, and then you can I teach you how to change the price, how to host it. I'll explain to you about the hosting thing when it comes up, because the clickable link has to be fixed. I'll teach you how to set up a shopping cart system if you don't have your own shopping cart system, a free one, and I'll teach you how to deliver it to that person as well, which is quite easy to do. And I'll teach you how to actually host it as well, and all that type of stuff, which is the little group I've got at the end where you can come in and have a look at that. So anyway, I didn't start timer. It'll start time anyway. But it should almost be finished by now, but I'm going to pause it for a couple of seconds, all right? Okay, so it took additional 47 seconds. So what's that, about 2.5 minutes to build a sales page. All right, so here's the sales page for new puppy owners. Turn training chaos into a calm, consistent routine. If you don't like this thing here, you can get to change it. You can change this here. This is where we change out the link to the shopping cart. Who's this for? If you don't like the colour, you can always go and do it again with the colour. I like this red. My puppy training feels so hard, no routine, conflict advice. So there's all the pain points. Here's the outcome, gives you some out point. What's included: daily routine, health, nutrition, behavioural habits, bonding time, progressive tracking. All right. So that's how this works. All right. You know, change your thing, talk over here, and you say, "Oh, we'll change the colour." Not change the colour, change the price, or move this down the bottom, or we want to put an image into here or a video into here. I teach training how to do that. So this is the product that makes it. You can come in and make as many as you want to in here, and then you can just sell them or do whatever you want with them. But they're so easy to make. We make them and sell them in about 7 to 8 minutes, and probably 10 minutes to modify them, and probably less than an hour, probably an hour and a half. You can have your product up and going, ready to go and sell, and then it will get quicker and quicker and quicker how you can do it. You can buy a domain and then just have all these different products on it and just run traffic to it and all sorts of things. Anyway, you have a great day, and I'll see you on the inside. Thank you. Bye.